ahead, swim over there.
It'll take you, it'll push you. Swim over there to where Kynan is.
You know that you can touch right there.
Ebony, it's the same place where you came in. Go ahead. Just swim. Go to Kynan. There's Kynan. He'll get you. Look. There's Kynan. Kynan, help your sister. Help her. Help her. Carry her out of there.
Oh my God, that was it.
Go. Be careful. God. Okay, Paris is gonna go now. Kynan.
Dad!
Parrot! I'm recording. Stop screaming.
Sorry. Yay! Yeah, you got over the waterfall!
Here goes Kynan. You're going to slide off the end of the waterfall now.
Okay, you can spin us girls like that, but with this big hope guy. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Whoa! I didn't need to get off the thing.
Whoa!
I
can't see straight. Oh. Yeah. He's gonna clobber you.
Pull him in.
In.
Stop!
Come on, Kynan, get up and come over here so I can take your picture. Come on, Kynan. Oh my God. Okay, let's record the girls.
Whoa! Wow!
I've got to do that again. Get back, Kynan. Oh my!
You were slipping off.
Okay,
I'm gonna do that again.
Whoa!
I think we should get Kynan in it by himself. Then Daddy could really spin him fast.
What'd you find, Jaden?
Come on, Ebony. Oh! Come over here, Bean. Get out of the way. She gets her equilibrium back so fast. Okay, well, let's watch Kynan.
Do they eat?
Oh, my butt's getting stuck in there.
Do what? Where are they?
Okay.
Well, if you put
Let's see how fast we can get myself going.
If you put your finger on them.
Oh my God! Wow!
Look at Kynan. Legs in!
Pull your arms up.
You're screaming like a little girl.
Whippy, 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 whippy.
His hair's all like this.
It's my turn again!
Come on, get up, Kynan, so Ebony can have a turn.
Whippy, 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 whippy. Not saying that I can do better. But whippy, whippy, don't go that.
Paris.
My head.
That was fun.
Kind of, will you swing back and forth on that thingy? That's fun.
Is that right?
He stopped.
Stop.